Lanteria Candidate Self-Service. Lanteria Candidate Self-Service is a candidate's personal page protected by login and password. The self-service allows a candidate to view the application data, receive letters from the company, see interview invitations, accept or reject the job offers, and complete the actions requested by the company. The communication may also be sent to the candidate's personal email. This is an on-demand feature. Let's now see how this works in Lanteria. This is Lanteria's external recruitment form. When I am the applicant and I wish to apply for one or several job openings, I will do as follows. First, I click on the job opening's name. I read its description. I click apply. Then I will have to accept the terms and conditions. And next usually goes a page that requires me to create my login and password. That needs to be done only once. I have already done that so far. After I've done that, I have been allowed to start filling the application form. You can see the example over here. After I have done that, my profile was created automatically inside of Lanteria HR. Now, what I can see in my account, in the candidate's self-service, I will see the information about the latest updates, plus the information related to my applications. So all the correspondence like letters, for example, interview invitation letter, regret or rejection letter, job offers, any other correspondence, it will be sent over here. As an option, it is possible to set inside of Lanteria that these updates must also be sent to the personal email of the candidate. That is also an option. I will be able to check my job offer, and I also will be able to accept it or reject it, just like that. Inside of the system, the recruiter will schedule an interview with myself, and if everything is okay, so we have been able to agree and I have accepted the job offer, I will be able to become a participant of the HR process. In that particular case, this self-service will also notify me about any actions or tasks which are pending. For example, inside of the system, the recruiter has assigned to me a task to prepare my university diploma and send a scanned copy of that document. Just as an example, it can be any other type of an action. Very much simple, very highly customizable, and quite user-friendly. For more information about this, please feel free to contact us, and we will be very much happy to advise. Thank you. Have a great time. Goodbye.